Welcome to Abacus System Portal. This is a financial portal that handles various financial needs of companies. It's very easy to use, user-friendly, and it has unlimited users. I'll quickly log in and take you through the demonstration. So we have our HR module, salary module, loan module, cooperative module, admin account module, and we have money module. This money module is a sub module that is attached to the account module, and anything you do here, like staff loan, staff can apply for loan, cooperative savings of staff, cooperative loan of staff, and expense voucher can be raised here by staff. This is a sample of the expense voucher that is raised by this user. We have boss, diesel, director expense, cooperative, and you can view each of the vouchers here. So once the staff raises a voucher, you can raise a voucher by clicking add. Once you raise a voucher, it will become pending until it is approved by the authorized person. So from here, I'll quickly take you to the account module in itself. So you have your dashboard. So you have analysis of your income, expense, salary, your balance sheet, debtors, inventory, your financial date settings, and if you come down here, you have your salary. If you're using the salary admin, you'll see your salary levels, gender ratio, and some summaries of reports. You have your balance account summary, the various amounts in your bank and cash, FCMB, GTB. You have your expenses. Your expenses are here. It selects the expenses according to the value and displays it to you. Then you have your sales here. It shows you the values of your sales, and you have your tax payable. What this does is helps you to monitor your tax liability so you can meet your tax deadline. You have your withholding tax, your VAT payable, your payee, your other staff tax that needs to be paid. So once you make this payment, these various accounts will become nil. Here we have the account setup, chart of account. We have general ledger. You can view your GL account and add a new GL account here. You have cash and bank transactions. You can view bank account, ledger, expense, receipt, transfer. Your petty cash expenses, you can view the ledger. You can expense petty cash and you can reimburse petty cash. You have your journal. We have our journal, then we have two types of journal, the normal journal and composite journal. And you have your receivables. You can view customers ledger, add a new customer, add sales, view your invoices to view unpaid invoices or customers ordering, sales journal, and you can link projects. Also, you have your payable account. You can view your supplier ledgers, add a new supplier, add purchases, see your unpaid invoices, your purchase journal, and project links. Then you have your inventory. You have your inventory matrix. If you click that, it will give you your stock valuation method. You can determine what valuation method to use, warehouses, and you can add new stock. Then you have your stock reports, which contains your ledger, your stock balances, your warehouse balances. Then you have your stock journal and project link. Additionally, you have your batch view. This batch view helps you to view the posting of people. It's like an audit trail. You can see all the posting. You have your authorized posting. You can authorize cash, petty cash, sales, purchases, inventory, journal, and you can do reversals. All this needs to be authorized before they are put in transferred to the GL. Then you have your financial reports. You can view the ledgers. You can view trial balance, generate your income statement, balance sheet, and close your financial year. You have projects. You can drill down on projects, generate trial balance for each project, income statement for each project, balance sheet for each project, and you have your archived reports. That's your past year, previous year trial balance, previous year income statement, previous year balance sheet. Those are years that you've closed. Then of course you have your backup. So that is the navigation bar. Now I'll go again and start from the account setting. When you go to the account setting, when you click it, you look at setting up your account. You have your company name, you can edit it, your company logo, user posting type. Now, there are two user posting type. Is either you want the user to post directly into GL, or you want each posting that is done by the user to be verified by an officer first before it is posted into the GL. So the default is that verified posting. Postings transaction will be verified and approved first before posting into GL. But you can change this by clicking direct posting, which will give you direct posting, and say transaction will be posted directly into GL. But it is advisable that you use verified posting so that you can correct mistakes before they enter the GL. Then you have your transaction date. This allows user to post between a certain date, financial date that has been set. Now, if your financial year, you want users to post between a certain financial year and not to go outside that financial year, you click this and you set it. Then you can create projects. That means you can put your postings, you're posting into different projects. You can have as many project type as you want. And once you create a project, you now have a project template which you have to follow. Each project template comes with 3 distinct layers for the debtors, creditor, and inventory of each project. And these are the ledgers that are linked to each project. For the debtors, these are the ledgers that are linked to that. For the creditor, these are ledgers. For the inventory, these are ledgers that are linked. So that is it for the account. You have your chart of account. Once you click this, it will generate a chart of account for you, which you can open and download. So I'll close this now. Then let's quickly, this is our general ledger. You can view things, you can search for any particular ledger you want. Salary, you can look at all your salary deduction, your expenses, you can view it. This is salary that we posted from the salary module. It comes here automatically because it is linked together. So you can add new ledgers, you can create ledgers by clicking add, type the ledger name, link it to a project, and that is it. You can edit the name. So that is it for our general ledger. When we go to cash and bank, we can view our cash and bank transactions. These are the transactions in our cash and bank. You can drill down. For example, if you want a transaction within a certain period, maybe January 2001 to our current dates, you can drill down and say generate, and it will give you only that transaction within that date. As you can see, you can sort and you can search. You can print, and you can export to Excel. So next we have our expenses. You can expense out of any of these ledgers, your cash, your bank. So I'm going to do an example. You select your expense account, maybe diesel, purchase diesel. Type your descriptions, your reference, the amount, and the dates. You can add as many transactions as you want. And you can delete rows that you are not interested in using. Click posts, and that is it. Very easy. So what we've just done now is not going to hit the GL because we've assigned it that it must be verified before it hits the GL. So what I just posted now, I'll go to authorize posting, cash and expense, and we'll see what we just posted now. So you can view batch. These are some of the things that have been posted. You can see the posted by this person, the batch number, and the status that it is pending. So you can see here, this checker indicates whether what you've posted is accurate. That means the law of credit and debit has been followed. It's accurate, it's balanced. You can view it, you can edit it in case you want to make any adjustments while verifying it. And if you want to post this particular transaction, you just check it and say, you come up here and say approved. You click it and it is approved. So you can now post it to GL. So it says posted now. So this transaction has now gone to GL proper.